Hi, in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to restore a hazed over or yellowish looking headlight lens using this $5 polishing compound. We will be restoring the headlight lens and making them shine like new. The only supplies we will be using are this buffing compound that costed less than $5 on Amazon. I have left a product link in the description below. We'll also use an orbital sander, but this is an optional tool. The first step is to wash the headlight lens with car soap and water to remove any loose dirt from the lenses. Let the surface be fully dry before proceeding. The next step is to liberally apply some polishing compound onto the lens surface. We'll be using a soft, clean cloth to do this. The consistency of the compound is almost like a toothpaste. It easily goes on the surface. Next, rub in the polish for a few minutes using circular motions. To make the process quicker, we will be using an orbital buffer, but you really do not need the orbital buffer. You can do this manually too. This tool is totally optional. It is also recommended using a painter's tape around the lens to protect the paint on the car around the lenses. You do not want to accidentally buff over the surrounding paint or trim. Most headlight lenses are made of polycarbonate plastic. This strong plastic is perfect for harsh road conditions without breaking, but it doesn't do well with the sun over time. To protect them, the car manufacturers coat the lens with a UV protective film, but over time the film is destroyed by the UV rays, allowing the plastic to oxidize. The haze over or becoming yellowish is a sign that the oxidizing process has begun. It is important to have clear headlight lenses. Not only do these powerful beams let you see the road, they also let other motorists see you. We buffed the surface for about 5 minutes and you can see the big difference. All that oxide layer causing that haze is now gone. You can see the big difference before and after. All it took is a little bit of this $5 compound and 5 minutes of buffing to get the lens looking like new. An easy DIY project. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.